Hey everybody, just want to guys show you a little bit on the 62 that I got from Texas last week. You can see it's still on the trailer, but I've looked at a few things. We got the seats, the rear seats already done, front seats missing the two backs, but that is what it is. Rear glass, front glass, painted. Floors look good. You know, body's not set up right. Didn't know if that was just the hinges or what, but after I looked, I'm missing a couple of body mounts, so that'll change it all. Hopefully when I put them in, the body panels are set right. Open up the hood, we got a 383 stroker. Really doesn't look like it's been put together and ran more than maybe on the stand, or you know, when it first dropped in, if that. A lot of little goodies. Hopefully engine and transmission are ready to go. Front end got some LED headlights. Somebody definitely put some money into this. Got a lot going on for it. The bumper's not lined up or something. I'll have to look at that. If you look here, got two babe arms. You can see the body panel, not just quite right, but there's a lot going for it. We'll see when we get into it. It's sitting on bags. Then I finally got into the trunk to see what's in there. Take a look. All right, we got some extra body panel or interior panels, and that so we can make whatever we need. A couple of vents over here. Door handle. Got some trim, windshield wipers. It's part of my taillight bezel. One Impala emblem, the other door handle. Look at that, we got a brake pedal. A lot of little stuff. You can see it had a lot of trim in there. See, there's a little bit of damage to it over here. You can see the damage to the seat, but good thing I'm a polisher. I should be able to straighten that, make it look at least almost new. Got the other 5 tail lights. Looks like I'm missing one of the rings. There's 2 missing there. All there, nothing looks cracked, looks in pretty good shape. There's enough trim here, we could have it all. The rockers. There we go. You always need a parking brake. A few things. Another piece of chrome. Sending unit. Front seats already. The back of the front seats already covered. But like I said, I'm missing them. So I'm going to stick those over here. Door panels. I think somebody was trying to make a visor, maybe out of a front of a hood. Not quite sure. Got a box of goodies underneath there with the center speaker cover already painted. Not too bad. That's some other interior. Got all the extra interior material that was left with it for the rest of the front seat and whatever else. But I'm looking at getting a new interior. Rear wing windows. Painted gas tank. So that's pretty much what we got here, everybody. Not bad. Well, I'll start putting it together and seeing what matches up. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and share. Have a great day.